Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to sell your Shopify products on eBay and reach millions of customers? In this video, I will show you exactly how to connect your Shopify store to eBay step by step. No coding, no confusion. Let's dive in and start boosting your sales. Before we begin, let's quickly look at why you should connect eBay to Shopify. Instant access to 130 plus million active eBay users, boost sales without building a new store, sync inventory automatically between platforms, save time and manage everything from one place, Shopify. Now here's you do it. Step 1 is installing the official eBay sales channel. From Shopify dashboard, go to Add Apps, scroll down and select Shopify App Store. In the search bar, search for eBay. Click on eBay. And click on Install tab and open app. Again, click Install. This take you to the eBay app setup inside your Shopify store. If you already have an eBay seller account, click Connect and Login. If not, create a new one on the spot, it's free. Once logged in, eBay will ask for permissions to manage your listings and sync data with Shopify. Click Agree to allow access. Make sure your eBay account has an active PayPal or bank payment method set up and your business information completed. This avoids listings. This avoids a listing issue later. After connecting your account, you will be asked to configure your settings. Business policies. These include your shipping, payment, and return settings. You can import them from eBay or create ones. Inventory sync. Choose whether you want eBay to update prices and stock based on Shopify. Highly recommended. Then order sync. Enable syncing so eBay orders appear in your Shopify dashboard. This keeps both platforms working together automatically. Now comes the fun part. Listing your Shopify products on eBay from the eBay app in Shopify. Check listing, then add product. Choose the Shopify product you want to list, edit product title, description, category, and pricing if needed. Select shipping and return policies, review, and click publish. Use eBay friendly titles with keywords like brand, size, and condition. Keep descriptions clear and concise. You can also bulk edit if you're listing many products at once. Once you are live on eBay, Shopify, and eBay stay in sync. When someone buys on eBay, it shows in your Shopify orders. Inventory auto updates, no overselling. You can fulfill the order in Shopify like usual. It's all in one place. Super convenient. To make the most of your eBay channel, use clear product photos. eBay limits watermarks and branding. Offer competitive shipping and fast handling times. Get positive feedback to build trust. Run promotions and coupons on eBay to increase visibility. So, first of all, install the eBay app on your Shopify store, then sign up or sign in to your account, then add product and choose a plan like silver plan, then choose your debit or credit card, then or PayPal. Pay with PayPal and log into your PayPal account, then click approve, and that's it. And that's how you connect your Shopify store to eBay like a pro in 2025. Got questions about syncing, shipping, or returns? Drop them in the comment. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials. I will see you in the next video.